You want to do more animals? Let's see. Ooh. What is this? Beetle. That's right. Oh, look. What is this? Butterfly. Does it fly through the air? Where are you going to put? Is he swimming? Oh, he looks great. What are you doing? Monkeys? Monkeys? Yeah, you have monkey stickers too. Can you make him swim? Up! Butterfly. Nora, look. What's that? Frog. Good. What does he say?
Frog.
He says frog. Yeah. Ooh. Bird. Which one do you want next? The little, what's this? Is he swimming? Thank you, thank you.
Fish.
Oh, that is a fish, yeah. He's swimming. Hey, Nora. What's this? What's that?
Belly.
Your belly. Can I see your belly?
Daddy.
Oh, what's that?
Seagull.
Oh, a seagull? I think it's a toucan. Toucan.
House.
A house, yeah. Hey, where's Clifford? Oh, hi, Clifford. Can you give him a hug? Oh, can you give him a kiss? Oh, how nice. Yeah, what else? Oh, where's his nose? Oh, yeah, where's his hair? Where's his back? Where's Clifford's back? Is that kind of tricky? Tricky? Is he funny? Is he so silly? Clifford, you're so silly. You're so silly. Hey, where's the fish? Do you remember the fish you saw today? That's right. There's a little fish right there. I can't believe you spotted it.